Good morning, children. Today we will do revision class of keyboard. Keyboard is an input device through which we insert data by typing. Dear children, from last 2-3 weeks we are doing revision of keyboard. Dear children, you need to do practice more and more, as well as we do revision more and more, so that it will be more clear for you. Children, we were talking about all the keyboard's keys. Children, as I told you, all keyboard keys have categorized into three parts: alphabet keys, number keys, and some special keys. We have 26 alphabet keys. We use to type letters with alphabet keys. We have 10 number keys which we use to type numbers. We have some special keys. Number 1, enter key. We have 2 enter key in our keyboard which we use to type to go to the next line. Next is caps lock key. We have only one caps lock key in our keyboard which we use to press to type uppercase or lowercase letters. Next one is spacebar key. We have only one spacebar key in our keyboard. This is the longest key and which we use to press to give space between words. Next is backspace key, which is just like an eraser. And we use to press this backspace key to delete the text which is on the left side of your blinking cursor. Next is your delete key. We use to press this delete key when you want to delete the text which is on the right side of your cursor. In our keyboard, we have one backspace key and one delete key. Next is your shift key. We use to press this shift key along with another key. A keyboard usually has keys marked with two symbols. Whenever you want to type that second one symbol which is upper side of first symbol, that time you will press this button or key along with shift key. For example, whenever you will press button 1, that time you will see on monitor number 1, and whenever you will press this key, number 1 key, along with shift key, that time second symbol which is upper side of the 1 will appear on your monitor. So whenever you want to type next symbol of the key, that time you will use to press shift key along with that key. Next is control key. We use to press this control key along with another key to do certain tasks. Like if you will press Ctrl plus S key together, it will save a file in the notepad. Next one is arrow key. We have 4 arrow keys. Left side arrow key to move the cursor to the left. Above side arrow key to move the cursor to the line above. below side arrow key to move the cursor to the line below. Right side arrow key to move the cursor to the right. So children, learn these all special keys along with alphabet key and number keys. Dear children, in last week we have learnt to do certain tasks using these keys like select, cut, copy, paste and delete the text. Copy and paste the selected text. How to copy? As I told you, we use control key along with another key to do certain tasks. Now we are going to do copy. So we will press control key along with a key, that is C, alphabet key. It will perform a copy. It will make a copy of your file. Now you will use the arrow key or the mouse to place the cursor where you want to move this file. Okay, so using arrow key you will move there. Now press Ctrl plus V together. A copy of the text will be pasted here. So we use to press Ctrl plus C to make a copy of your file. Then you will use arrow key to move your cursor to the position where you want to move your file. Now press Ctrl plus V to make copy or paste. Next one is cut and paste the selected text. To move the selected text, you will press Ctrl and X together. Dear children, as I told you, to do computer task, we use to press Ctrl key along with another key. So now we are doing cut. We used to cut the text to move the text from one place to another place. Now you will firstly press Ctrl and X together to cut the selected text. Now use the arrow key on the mouse to place the cursor at the location where you want to copy it. Now press Ctrl plus V together. The text is now moved. Dear children, there is a difference between copy and paste and cut and paste. In copy and paste, whenever you will make copy of the text, that time in new location and old location, in both places we have the same text, but in the case of cut, the text will move from the old location to new location. Now next task is delete the selected text. How to delete? To delete the selected text, we use to press backspace or delete key. Dear children, learn these all tasks of your computer or keyboard keys? Children, here we have some key points. A keyboard has keys marked with the alphabet, numbers, and symbols. As I told you, children, keyboard has alphabet, number, and special symbols. Keys. Shift and control keys are used in combination with other key. The delete key is used to delete character on the right side of your cursor, and the backspace key is used to delete characters on the left side of your cursor. So children, read these key points 2-3 times. Try to learn. Now come to the assignment portion. Children, question number 7. In last week I have given you question number 7, multiple choice questions. In last week I have given you till G, question number G. Today I have given you some more questions of question number 7. Last time you have done till G. Today we have given you H, I and J. 3 questions more. So write it in your computer copy in beautiful handwriting. Our question number H of question number 7 is Chetan wants to type Mahatma Gandhi and the keyboard's caps lock is off. What should he do to type uppercase letter? In the case of switched off of caps lock, you can use shift key along with alphabet key to type uppercase letter. So he should use the shift key to type uppercase letters. Next question, question number I. Gurpreet wants to type this percentage sign. To his surprise, when he presses the key marked percentage, he typed 5. What should he do? Options are: he should press the enter and percentage key simultaneously. Next, he should press the shift and percentage key simultaneously. Next, he should press the control and percentage keys simultaneously. He should press the delete and percentage key simultaneously. And answer is option number 2. He should press the shift and percentage key simultaneously. Children, as I explained you, if you want to type second symbol of your key, that time you need to press that key along with shift key. So the answer is he should press the shift and percentage key simultaneously. Our question number J, which is the last question of your multiple choice question of question 7. Bindu wants to move through the text. She has typed. She should use option number 1 arrow keys, 2 alphabet keys, 3 number key and 4 symbol key. Bindu wants to move through the text. She should use, yes children, arrow key. if you want to move through the text whatever you typed, that time you will use arrow key. If you want to go to right side of your typed letter, that time you will go through right side arrow key. If you want to go to the left side of your typed letter, that time you will use left side arrow key. And whenever you want to go above side, that time you will go and you will type above side arrow key. And if you want to go below, that time you will press down or below side arrow key. So children, do practice more and more so that it will be more clear for you. Thank you children.